In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in profile settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the language option, how to switch it, and how to make sure your changes stick so your app or site interface displays in the language you prefer. Let's begin by opening the settings area. Look toward the bottom left corner of any page. You should see a small gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. On some layouts, you might also see a globe icon in that same corner. That's also a quick route to language-related options. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover your mouse near the bottom left or tap the menu icon on mobile to expand it. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the gear or globe, try scrolling the sidebar, maximizing your browser window, or rotating your device to landscape. Click the gear icon or the globe icon to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and then open the Profile tab. Depending on your layout, the settings option might appear in a small pop-up menu, a full sidebar, or a central settings page. Once you're in Settings, look along the top or left for tabs and select Profile. If you land in a different section by default, just switch over to Profile. That's where your personal preferences, like language, are usually stored. Inside the Profile tab, find the Language dropdown. It might simply be labeled Language or App Language. Click the dropdown to open the list and scroll until you see your preferred language. If the list is long, start typing the language name to jump directly to it. Pick the exact regional variant you want if multiple options exist, since this can affect things like date formats or punctuation styles. Keep in mind that changing the language typically updates the interface labels, buttons, and menus. It usually doesn't translate user-generated content or documents, so don't be concerned if text you or others wrote remains in its original language. To finish, click the Save button to apply your new language setting. Most of the time, the interface updates right away. If you don't see the change instantly, give the page a moment and refresh your browser if needed. That's all there is to it. Open Settings from the bottom left, go to the Profile tab, choose your language from the dropdown, and save. If you ever want to switch back, repeat these steps and pick a different option. Thanks for watching and enjoy using the interface in the language that works best for you.